welcome back to Fallout 3. So, last video we completed another chapter in the book. Well, last couple of videos. Let's see, maybe do we do the... I think we did the Mirelurks last video too. Completed the Mirelurks, we completed the library, the archives, and before we leave, I wanted to see if you can repair my shotgun.
Any luck finding out how Rivet City got started?
No, I haven't done that yet. I can't get a straight answer out of those folks. History's for losers, I'll do it later.
Try asking around a bit. You
Yeah,
never know who's collected a lot of information, do you?
Alright, that's good. Need to repair something for me.
If you've got the caps, I've got the skill.
Let's get my... we can do this. That's not many caps, is it? Actually, can't restore my shotgun. Just can't do anything to my shotgun yet, eh? Ah! Can I repair past 54%? Okay, we're good.
The info you're bringing back is great. Looking forward to more.
Okay.
Watch it, will you?
Yeah. Alright, let's go to Rivet City. I think I know who we gotta talk to over there. Let's go talk to this dingy, right? This dingy girl right over here. Or this guy. Maybe this guy. He might be the guy.
Welcome to Potomac Attire. I am Bannon, proprietor and city council member.
Nice.
I carry discriminating attire for discriminating customers.
On a ship in the middle of a wasteland. Okay. I see you're also a person of refinement.
Between you and me, keeping out the riffraff is good for business.
So,
There's a name I
Pinkerton?
haven't heard in a while. Never met the man myself, but rumor has it he helped found Rivet City. Some rumors say he died trying to loot the broken bow of the ship. Others say he joined up with the Enclave.
So you're on the city council?
Dr. Lee, Chief Harkness, and I are all on the council. We meet every Monday morning. I can be very influential, if you know what I mean. Far more than Seagrave Holmes.
Seagrave?
So you've
Oh, yeah,
met
he's
him, eh?
close.
Well, he wants to replace me on the council. Now, I can't have that. No siree. He's a shady character. I just can't prove it. If someone were to find something incriminating in his room, well, let's just say I would be very appreciative.
Okay. Bannon's request.
Why, I practically set this whole place up. When I got here 12 years ago, it was just a handful of dead-enders squatting in a rusted-out rowboat. Now I'm on the council, and with my leadership, we're the strongest settlement in the wastes. Of course, a few of those dead-enders still stick around, but who'd want to leave?
Check other sources. See, Rivet City hasn't been around for longer than 12 years.
Well, yes,
Ooh.
but it was
Oh,
hardly
got
any
one.
place of importance until I arrived on the scene. That's all ancient history now. No one would ever care about it. If you insist on wasting your time on that, you could try that bartending old crone down below, Belle Bonnie.
Okay.
Come back
Pleasure.
soon.
Go find a bar. I can't remember how do you get to the bar? Let's go this way.
Have a seat anywhere. Someone will be with you in a minute.
Can't quite remember how to get to the bar. I think I can't get up the ladder. Go up the ladder. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. Maybe I shouldn't go to the bar if I can't even climb a ladder. Actually, I think I need to go down here. It's in the bottom somewhere here. Common room. Oh, I can't get there? What the hell's wrong with... Why is that locked? Uh-oh, I must be here after hours. That's bad. What time is it? No? It's 1249. Why is that locked? That's very strange.
There was some sort of battle in the city yesterday. The gate guard says the
Why was that locked? Alright, we gotta go down for the bar. I know that. Where's the bar at? The Muddy Rudder. This way it says. I think the Muddy Rudder's down here. Muddy Rudder.
What'll you have?
Here we go.
Whiskey and water. Go light on the water.
Let's go talk to this babe here.
Hey, I'm Belle Bonnie, and this is the Muddy Rudder. I'll tell you what I tell all the fresh meat. Don't start anything down here, or I'll have Brock kick your ass.
Okay. Nice place you have here.
You must be drunk. Are you gonna order or what?
Pinkerton,
What a
ring any
moron.
bells?
Always going on about how he started Rivet City. Who gives a crap? Right before he disappeared, he was going on about some newfangled contraption he was sure was in the broken bow of the ship.
That's where he's at, I guess. Any good stories about this place's history?
What, not enough shit around here already? You need to dig up more? Don't know if it ever had an official start. It's just been here forever. Stuck in the river and full of assholes.
16%. We're not gonna get that one. He said he organized the entire place.
Why, that lying son of a bitch. He wasn't even born when I got here. Want to know this tub's history? Only person who really knows it is Pinkerton. And most think he's dead or gone. He's holed up in the other half of the ship, and he don't like visitors. He'll set you straight.
Okay, so we gotta go talk to him, huh?
Oh
Sounds like I
yeah,
still do.
he's a mess. I'm glad I'm not in Cindy's shoes.
Any good stories
Go
lately?
talk to Vera if you want gossip. I don't talk bad about folks.
Man, she's a bitch, eh?
I'll be
Later.
right here when you get thirsty.
So we can go even get up to the other guy's place. I wonder where his room is at. It's in the garbage can. Take that. Who's this girl?
Yes? I'm Tammy. Have you seen my good-for-nothing son lately? The
Nope.
little shit is usually up to no good.
There are no bad children, only bad
What
parents.
a
There
load
you
of
go.
crap. Obviously, you've never had to take care of some squealing little brat.
I gotta find a place for the guy that's in the Grey Ditch too. We haven't found him a place to live yet. Let's go this way. Let's see if we can find his, what's his name's room. What's in here? Anything good? What's that? A lot of empty bottles. Hargraves. Open Staley's door. That's the place where everybody sleeps. Guy walked into
Hey
his
there.
own door. Cantelli, Paul Cantelli. Where's Hargraves' place at? Let's go see if we can't steal some information, huh?
Hello, mister.
Watch it, kid. Hargrave, huh? Where's Hargrave at in this case?
I do the repairs around here, so if you see something that needs fixing, let me know.
What's this place? Oh, I've been in there. Nothing in there. This is the church.
Yes, that's locked. And yes, I can see you eyeing it.
You can, huh? Okay. Turn around then. So that's Hargrave's place there. Let's see what's in here. Ah, I can't get in there. I'm sure there's something in there. That's what I need probably is his terminal. And we can't get in there. What's the toolbox? What's in there? Can't get in there. Damn. The hell? That's weird. Alright. That didn't work. Oops. Damn it, I'm stuck behind the door. Close the door. That's weird. And we're gonna close this so he doesn't know we were here.
No problems to report, I assume?
Nope, none. So we gotta go talk to the guy. That's a science lab. We don't want to go to the science lab. There's
Good to
nothing
see
there.
you.
Preservation Society. Where's the hotel at? We gotta go up another floor for the hotel. Right? Is this the stairs? Nope. Science lab again. Where's the hotel? We gotta go up another level. Can't tell he's door. We don't want to go in his place.
Hey,
Watch it. Alright, let's go up another level. Where the hotel's at. Right, where's the hotel? The Weatherly Hotel. Let's go up here. See if she'll take the kid on. Which I think, now that I think about it, maybe before we go do... Is this the hotel? Nope, fracking. Shrapnel's place.
Hey,
Hotel.
you don't look so tough.
Welcome to the Weatherly Hotel. I'm your hostess, Vera Weatherly.
How about that? Hear any interesting gossip?
Well, I really shouldn't tell you, but have you heard about Polly Cantelli?
Yeah, I've
He's
heard all
addicted
about
to
him.
chems. His poor wife Cindy is at her wit's end.
Yeah, we know all about that.
You haven't heard? Angela has the hots for Diego,
Nice.
but since he's a priest, he's been putting her off. One of these days, she's just going to jump his bones.
Cool. What about other
Why
rumors?
should I tell you?
Ah,
We'll just tell
jeez, come
everyone
on.
else.
We just passed that.
Poor James. His mother drinks too much. When she does, she doesn't treat him very well. Personally, I think she blames him for his father leaving her, which is ridiculous.
Dr. Lee. So like
It's
Jim and
noisy,
Giant
dark,
shit.
and smelly. But we're safe here. No super mutants or raiders, and maybe Dr. Lee will find a way to get clean water for us.
Yeah, she's working on it. Any history?
Well, I could tell you all about my hotel, but I'm sure I don't know anything about how Rivet City itself got started. I mean, you hear rumors and you make guesses, but I really couldn't say I know for sure. And I'd hate to lead you down the wrong path.
Can you at least tell me what you've heard?
Well, if it'll help, I once heard that this place was covered in mirelurks 50 years ago, raiding all around the city. Eventually, some poor soul they thought would be lunch fought back and cleared out the whole ship. He set up the city in their place. They say he was the first counselor for the upper deck and lived here to his death. Can't say I believe it a bit, but it's a nice tale to tell.
Okay.
Farewell.
Alright. So I have to go
With that, and
finish.
we're going to have a problem.
Dude, I'm just gonna plaster you all over the place if you
There
give
was
me
some
shit.
sort of battle in the city yesterday. The gate guard said that the gunfire went on for over an hour.
That's why I'm glad we're in
not right
here.
now.
Good old Rivet City.
Me too.
Okay,
Nothing is
so
getting through these walls.
let's get out of here. So I have to go finish the whole ant thing. Who's this? Oh, flak and shrapnel, huh? Dude. This way. I have to go finish the whole ant thing before I can find a place for the kid to live. Let's see. How do we get out of here? Which way out? Which is the way out? I think it's down. Let's go this way. Here we go. Alright, so let's look at our quest lines here. Optional, undercover, return to more, uncover the true history. So in order to find that, we gotta go talk to the guy, and he's at the bow of a ship. We can go do this. This one here. We have to go finish this in order to find a place for the kid to live. We haven't done this yet. We might have enough. Let's see something. We got about another 700. Not quite 700, 600 and something. Yeah, 700 XP to go before we level up again. Blood ties. Yeah, that's the family. Big trouble in Big Town. Oh yeah, we gotta go save the kids from the super mutants too. And we gotta go to Galaxy News Radio. And we got to get... Let me see, you know? Yeah, we gotta find Vault 92. So, we gotta pick one here. What do we want to do? I could go do this and go talk to the guy in the hull. And he's also this one. This is also this thing too here. Find out what Pinkerton at Rivet City. So there's two things we can do. That's a toughie. We've got to go. We've got to go for a swim over there. I don't think I can pick that lock over there. We can go look, I guess.
So thirsty.
Yeah, I know. Any bad guys over here? Sometimes there's bad guys over here. What's over here? Anything? No. Bad guys? No bad guys. Oh, let's go discover that metro station. We might need that somewhere. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna have to get some rads. I'm gonna have to get some rads on me to go check this out. I don't think I can go unlock that door over there. You gotta go in that way, I think. Let's go and see what happens if I go this way. Yeah, here are your rads. As long as the super mutants don't see me, we'll probably be okay. Get out of here. Get out of the water. Really? Get out of the water. Did he get out? He did, okay. Let's go see. I cannot remember how to swim in there, that's tough. fireworks. I gotta take those out with my shotgun. Pretty sure I can't unlock this. Yeah, very hard. Alright, let's see. Let's go in this way. Do a save here, I guess. I have to go in here somewhere. Let's do some Rad-X. I think I have some Rad-X. Don't I? Yeah, let's have some Rad-X. We need to go down here. Run out of air. Aw, come on, that didn't take that long. That was crazy. Ran out of air pretty fast. Let's see if we can breathe here somewhere. Okay, I can breathe here. Okay, good. Where's the door? There it is. Can't go this way, can I? No, we gotta go this way. Stuck. Come on. Gotta get my shotgun out. Can't shoot my shotgun in the water. Gotta get out of the water. Here's a way out. Really? Oh! Bitch. Face. Face. Give me the face. Here we go. Okay, that's what we wanted. Another guy? Okay. Now, where do I gotta go? This way, maybe, eh? Oh, there's a landmine there. What's this? 44. Take all of that. I don't think I want to go that way. I gotta go talk to this guy. Let's do a save here. This is a good place to save, since I already made it. Alright, let's go this way. Oh, I can't get out. That's the way out. Okay, we gotta go this way. Watch out for booby traps. to go. Oh, like I tripped something. Am I on fire? No. I didn't see the booby trap. This way? And more booby traps? I'm not really good at seeing these tripwires. Switch for something. Shit. I did say I have to watch out for booby traps, didn't I? This door is activated elsewhere. Okay, over here I guess, huh? This where he's at? He's in here? I guess so. Book of Science, huh? Can I take the Book of Science? Lost Karma. That's alright. We can take the Book of Science and read it. Is he up here somewhere? There he is. Oh, bottle cap, man. I could take that, huh? Take it. Alright, let's go see what he's up to.
Hey, how the hell did you get in here? I suppose you can't be all that bad if you made it this far without dying. This is the part where you tell me what the hell you are doing bothering an old man who obviously wants to be left alone. Get on with it already.
Alright. Let's discuss I want to know about the city's history.
What?
Let's do that first.
I have better things to do than yak about those backstabbers up topside. Now get going.
Come on, dude. I hear you're the one that knows the truth about Rivet City.
Ha! Sounds like you've been poking around, all right. I'm surprised any of those reprobates even remember me. Maybe they still laugh about how they edged me out of the council back then. But you can set the record straight.
So that's my goal.
For that, you have to go all the way back to when remnants of the Naval Research Institute cleared the Mirelurks off this wreck, about 40 years ago. We were looking for new lab space, and this bucket of bolts just happened to have a well-preserved science bay on it. Everything else just grew up around that lab once we got it up and running. The science team was led by one H. Pinkerton.
So you were in charge. How'd you end up here?
That lasted until about 18 years ago, when those ambitious backbiters like Lee and her little team showed up. She came in with her big purity project pipe dream, and my whole staff started working with her, those traitors. She even took my seat on the council. By then, I was glad to leave it behind. But hell, if I'm leaving the city I made great.
Do you have any evidence of all of this?
Of course I do. A good scientist always keeps track of their data. Here, they probably don't even remember, but I kept the records of that first council meeting. Take them, if it'll put them in their place.
Nice. How about a facial reconstruction and mind wipe for your and
What are you talking about, boy? I don't know anything about any of that. And, what did you call it? An android? What's that?
Dude, come on. Let's just say it's in your best interest to tell me what I know.
Fine, whatever. This android calls himself Harkness now. Comes in and wants a memory job. I took new memories and replaced his old ones. Don't believe anyone's done that before. Certainly not down here. That Commonwealth tech isn't all that fancy when it comes down to it. I'm also the only one in the Wasteland with the skill and the nerve to perform facial surgery. That android flesh ain't so different than ours. You want proof? I documented the whole thing, so I could rub it in the face of Dr. Lee when I need to rankle her feathers. I hate that snooty bitch.
I'm sorry you don't get along with Dr. Lee, but we were discussing the android.
That witch ruined my life, but you're right. Who gives a crap about any of that? You want your precious proof. It's all in my computer. Here's the password. See for yourself. Hell, just take these pictures and this holotape. Straight from the synth man's lips. Just
Nice.
don't go telling Harkness, though. He won't believe you anyway. And you really don't want to see him upset. He can be a bit inhospitable.
Harkness should be told. You'd want to know if you were an android. What if this evidence doesn't work? What if Harkness doesn't believe me? There's something you aren't telling me, isn't there?
Oh, all right. So maybe I didn't wipe his mind like he asked, but I buried it deep. Almost as good, really. But it's still there. Still accessible. All you need to do is use the recall code. Just say to him, activate A321 recall code Violet, and that will activate the hidden subroutines.
Okay. What are you doing in this wrecked part of the ship?
I live here. It's where I do my work, and it's far away from Dr. Lee and all those other monkeys dressed up like scientists. You made it past my defenses, which proves you aren't a dummy. And you haven't killed me. So I suppose you aren't here to do that. I suppose you can hang around if you want. Just don't touch anything.
Okay, how do I get out of here?
Don't
Alright,
let
let's
your
go.
guard down.
Where's his computer? Over here? That's not it. Down here. Can I open the door from here? See any founder's log. Nice. Android log. Okay, this is what he's already given me. Before picture. After picture. There you go. How do I get out of that? He should. I thought he would give me a key to get out of that. Can I steal this? Nope. Where's he at? How does he keep detecting me? Where is he? This is all marked as steal. What else has he got down here I can steal? He's got a lot of stuff here, doesn't he? What's that? cherry bombs. I need cherry bombs, I think. Alright, so I'm getting a little... Oh, some more scrap metal. Let's grab that. Is this Wonder Glue? Alright, we don't need another stealth boy. Alright, I gotta go back up and get out of here now. Go out the door if I can. That was this way. That's pretty funny because I thought I had to talk to him on a speaker to get in here. Guess not. Alright, so we gotta get out the back of the ship now. That's this way. And I think there's a switch there or something. There's a switch there. We gotta go find it. Isn't there a switch here? Yeah, there it is. We took this stuff already, right? Yeah. Okay, we're out. We can go talk to Moira again, I guess. Turn this one in. We're knocking them out. Alright, we gotta go to sleep again. Never make it here during the day, do I? I guess I gotta talk to the robot to get him out of my bedroom
home,
here.
Sir.
Yeah, another 8 hours, huh? Maybe I gotta talk to this guy. I'll have him give me a joke. Let's have him tell me a joke so he'll leave my bedroom.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
Tell me a
It is
joke.
common knowledge that irradiated cats have 18 half-lives.
Okay, give me some water.
Certainly, sir. Here you are.
Alright.
Of
Get out of here.
course, of course. Don't let me keep you.
Alright, now get out of my room. Let's drop off some stuff. Some more frag mines, eh? Miscellaneous. Let's get rid of some books. We still have some pre-war books. Here we go. We got some more stuff for building bombs and stuff. Cherry bombs. Get rid of these. Conductor, fire hose, nozzle, lunchbox, sensor modules, Wonder Glue. Okay, and I might have another quantum. I think I picked up a quantum too. Let's see. Yeah, Nuka-Cola quantum. There we go. We have 8 of those now. Alright. I gotta find some more, I think I gotta find some more, assault rifle ammo. Of course, I should have done that when I was in Rivet City. We'll sell this stuff to her first, and then we'll go to Rivet City.
Any luck
Well, actually-
finding out how Rivet City got started?
Yep, we did. We got it all.
Aha! Not just as easy as asking around, was it? Good information takes real work to uncover after all. So, tell me all about it.
Oh, come on.
I'll bet they used some sort of chemical device to drive off the Mirelurks. Or a sonic device. Anyway, I guess it worked pretty well. A bit of smarts leads to a big reward, huh? Speaking of which, in thanks, have a few of these. The next time you've got to be quick on your wits. Oh, and I'll let the Rivet City traders know they'll be favorably mentioned in the book. You'll get a discount buying gear from them in the future.
Oh, nice. That's where I'm going then. Mentats. Okay, the last subject.
It
old
does,
technology,
doesn't
right?
it? I mostly just deal with it after it's junked. But a trader gave me this bit of electronics from the Robco factory. If there's a way to reactivate and control the robots there, it'd make for a good example of harnessing the past technology for the book.
I remember this one. Just go in and connect the midget to the mainframe. I can do that. What's it worth?
Well, you'll be getting access to an army of robots. That ought to be reward enough, right? But if you insist, I could spare some pulse grenades.
Alright.
Yeah, you should just be able to plug it into the mainframe at the Robco production facility. It'll give you access to the robots and terminals. Okay, here. And be sure to keep an eye peeled for any other examples of how to make old technology work for you out there.
Install a processor. What's the optional one? Is there an optional one? Let's talk
Fiddle
about
with
these
any
robots.
interesting technology lately?
No. Haven't been there yet.
Well, why not go over there and make a few friends? Or activate them, I guess.
Yeah, that's a crazy. I remember this now. This is a
Try
crazy,
not to die.
crazy mission. Let's go. We get some discounts now over at Rivet City. Let's go there and buy some more ammo. Where's it at? There it is. This it? That's not it. It's over here. Let's go to Rivet City, buy some more ammo. And I can sell stuff to them too, I guess. Dude. Where's he at?
Let me or a security officer know if you see anything out of the ordinary.
Oh man, what time is it? It's 11:19. Was it lunchtime?
May I take your order?
Later.
Is that him?
Have a seat anywhere. Someone will be with you.
If you want
Dude.
any of this shit, just say so. Otherwise, keep your fingers the hell away from the triggers. I don't want no accidents.
Yeah, I need something, man. What do you got?
What you looking for?
Okay, first off, we're gonna sell you some stuff. Well, actually, I just need some ammo. What do we got under the ammo here? Let's see. 5mm. He's got nothing. Really? He has 107 shotgun shells. I don't need that many shotgun shells. I already have 100, so I don't need 100 more shotgun shells. He has no 556. Well, actually, I have 7. I don't need any 556 either, do I? Could just use some more 10 mil, but he doesn't have any of that either. So, all right, let's just sell him what we got. Missiles. And that's pretty good. No 308s either, huh? Okay. Let's see. Chinese assault rifle. Does not sell my assault rifle again. That cost me a bunch of money the last time. This one, get rid of that. Okay. That's all we gotta get. A shady hat. What does that do for me? Sneak and perception. As opposed to... Ooh, this would be better than what I got, isn't it? Yeah, I'll sell a sheriff's hat. Keep the other one. Oops, forgot to do that. Coca-Colas, let's get rid of about 8 of those, huh? Maybe even 10. Let's get rid of 10 of those. Stealth boys, we can get rid of like 4 of those. What else we got? Some pure war money, some wonder glue. As it looks like. That looks like it. Now what's he got? He does not have any ammo that I need. Yeah, that sucks. Alright, dude. Yeah, you're welcome.
Let's have a look at it.
Can he repair? Nothing. Okay.
Come back soon. We always got a lot of ammo in stock.
In a minute.
Alright. Let's get out of here for now. Guess his buddy's not there.
Hello, mister.
Hey. I hate that stairwell. Gotta go through too many load screens in that stairwell. Alright. We're gonna call it right here. Who's this?
Yes?
Oh, we met her. We know who she is. Alright. So, I think what we're gonna do is... What do we got next? We got the Robco factory. Where's that at? That's way the hell over here. Holy crap, seriously? Right by Tenpenny. Man, we gotta cover a lot of ground to get there. I think it might be time to go take care of the ants. I think we should go maybe do the ants or super mutants. Go do the super mutants. That might be a good one. We should go maybe check out Dad too. He's downtown. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna take some time and think about it. I'm just gonna sleep here and spend some time here, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.